Hi, my name is Jan Pochoro, and today I'm doing the presentation of Game Engine in Object-Oriented Software Design class. So as usual, we have our three different packages: the model package, the view package, and the controller package. So in the view package, we have my canvas class with the code right here. We have my window class with the code right here. And we have the model class, the model package with the different classes: the game data class, the game figure class, the missile class. And now the controller package has mouse event listener class, the main class, the key event listener class.